painting a Christmas card, and what we're doing is we're painting some beautiful frosted rose hips, which I photographed a few years ago when we first moved to our house in the country, and there was this heavy hoarfrost and it just looked really beautiful. So I went out with my camera and I've got lots of pictures of that time in our garden. And I think this one looks just really nice. It looks really cold, really Christmassy, and it's busy and detailed without being too difficult, I don't think anyway. So we're going to be using masking fluid, we're going to be using a little bit of white paint, and we're going to be painting this lovely, pretty little cluster of frosted rose hips.